This is a 2002 Volvo V70. It features a 2.4-liter 5-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, steering wheel controls, and an anti-theft protection system. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Ford and Hyundai of Kirkland is located at 11800 124th Northeast in Kirkland. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.